Theorem 10.1. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. The tangent at any point of a circle, this is the circle centered at O. P is the point at which we have drawn the tangent AB. Is perpendicular to the radius, then this at the point of contact, this we are to prove that OP is the radius. You know that OP is the radius. Now we are to prove that OP is perpendicular to AB. Means we are to prove angle OPA is of 90 degree. Now we will take the proof. First we write the given. AB is a tangent at a point P to a circle with center O and radius OP. This AB is tangent to the circle centered at O with radius OP. This is given. Then we come to proof. We have to prove OP is perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. This we have to prove. Construction. Take a point R other than P. We have taken a point R other than P. Join OR which intersects the circle at Q. Now we take the proof. OP is equal to OQ. You know that OP is the radius, OQ is the radius. OR is OQ plus QR. It means that OR is greater than OQ, or we can say OR is greater than OP. Now it means that OP is the shortest distance between O and P. Means OP is the shortest line segment. Any other line if we will take from O to AB, that will be greater than OP. It means that OP is perpendicular to AB. By the theorem that we had done in the previous class, that is lines drawn from a point to a line is perpendicular to the line segment that is shortest one. See here, thus OP is shortest. We have done by now. OP is equal to OQ, OR is equal to OQ plus QR. OR is greater than OQ, means OR is greater than OP because OQ is equal to OP. Thus OP is shorter than any other segment joining O to any point on AB. Joining O to any point on AB. From all those line segments, OP is the shortest one. It means that OP is perpendicular to AB because lines drawn from a point to a line, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest one. Because from all the lines, those are drawn from a point to a line, then the perpendicular is the shortest one. This we had done in the previous class. This is the solution for this theorem. The theorem was the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. This is the solution for this theorem.